What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Find a two-digit number with the following conditions. The number is 4 more than 6 times the sum of its digits, and it says if 18 is subtracted from the number, the digits are reversed. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So the key with a problem like this is to first identify each digit and represent it with a particular variable. So for example, I'm going to represent the tens digit with an X and the ones digit with a Y. Okay, now this is very important to know that this is in the 10 spot because the value of this is not actually just X, it's 10 times X. Think about it. Think if we had a 5 here, right? That doesn't have a value of 5, that would have a value of 50 because it's in the 10 spot. That's very important. And we're going to use that information to put together these representations as equations. So check the relationships, I should say, as equations. So check this out. We've got the number is. So what is the number? Should we just say X, Y? No, because algebraically that means we're doing X times Y. The number, the value of this number is again 10 times X, just like if we had a 5 here, it'd be 50. So 10 times X plus Y. The number is 4 more than 6 times the sum of the digits. Not saying the value of that the digits represent the sum of the digits. So that's simply X plus Y. We got our first equation down here. If 18 is subtracted from the number, which you already know is 10X plus Y, it says the digits are reversed. That means Y is now in the 10 spot and X is in the 1 spot. This is very important because now we have 2 equations with 2 variables. That is a nice system of equations that we can now solve algebraically. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. First, we're going to start by distributing the 6, and then we have 6x plus 6y plus that 4 over here is equal to 10x plus y. Now I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides, and I'm going to subtract 6y from both sides like so. Boom, boom. And now we have 10x minus 6x, which is 4x, y minus 6y, which is negative 5y, equals positive 4. We have one equation. Now, let's simplify the second equation, and I want to get it in a similar format. I want x and y on the left-hand side. I want this constant on the right-hand side. So I'm going to add 18 to the other side, move it there, while simultaneously subtracting x and subtracting 10y, right? So we're going to get rid of both of these. If I do 10x minus x, we get 9x. If I do y minus 10y, we get negative y. All right, this is great. Now we can kind of simplify this bottom equation a little bit further by dividing everything by 9, just to make life easier, right? So that divided by 9, we have x minus y equals 2. X minus y equals 2. This one we can't really simplify, so I'm going to leave it as is. Now, how do we use elimination here? Well, the key with elimination is we want to match up 2 of the variable coefficients, right? The matching variables. So for the x's, that's going to be pretty easy. I'm going to multiply the top equation by negative 4. Now we're matching them, or we're making them opposites. So now I'm going to have negative 4x plus 4y equals negative 8. Now we're going to add these together and watch what happens. 4x plus negative 4x is 0. They're gone. That's why we call this elimination. Negative 5y plus 4y is negative y, equals 4 plus negative 8 is negative 4. Multiply both sides by negative 1. We know that y is equal to 4. Okay, we're going to kind of box this. Now we're going to figure out what x is. Well, we already know from this equation right here, x minus y is equal to 2. What minus 4 is equal to 2? That is 6. So x is equal to 6. Now, if we remember, the original setup was x, y. X in the 10 spot, y in the 1 spot, which means that the number is 64. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.